Good morning, children. I hope you are safe and healthy at home. In our previous class, we have learned about simple machine, what is a simple machine, and the two types of simple machine. We have also completed learning about the first simple machine, that is lever, the types of levers, that is the first class lever, second class lever, and the third class lever with example. In today's class, we are going to learn about the remaining simple machines, that is inclined plane, pulley, screw, wedge, and wheel and axle. First, let us see what is an inclined plane. An inclined plane is a sloped surface that reduces the effort needed to move heavy loads. We can easily push or roll an object on an inclined plane rather carrying it with our hands. Inclined planes are used for loading or unloading heavy goods from trucks. Heavy and big objects are rolled up or down easily on an inclined plane. Roads and mountains are the best examples of inclined planes. We can see inclined planes in hospitals, shopping malls also. The next one is the pulley. The setting of the pulley is like a small wheel with a groove around its outer edge is called the pulley. The groove is used to hold a rope in a position. Pulley makes our work easier by changing the direction of the force. A pulley with a chain or a rope is used for lifting heavy objects from a lower level. There are two kinds of pulleys, that is the fixed pulley. Fixed pulley is fitted to a support or a rope passed over the pulley. The load is tied at one end of the rope. A downward force is applied on the other end to pull the load up. This setting of fixed pulley you can see while we are drawing water from the well. We can see it there, or we can see the fixed pulley while the flag is hoisted. We can see the fixed pulley at the end of the rod. The next one is the movable pulley. A movable pulley has an axle in movable block. A single movable pulley is supported by two parts of the same rope and has a mechanical advantage too. The best example for movable pulley is where we can see pulling of heavy loads. The next simple machine is the wedge. A wedge has two inclined planes joined back to back with a sharp edge. It has a blunt and a sharp end. The setting of the wedge can be easily seen in an axe where we used to cut trees. A wedge moves through an object. It is used to split or cut any object into two perpendicular ways. The best examples of the wedge are knife, axe, shovel, razor are the best examples of the wedge. Simple machine is the wheel and axle. A wheel becomes a machine when it is attached to a rod or an axle. A wheel with a rod fixed to it is known as wheel and axle arrangement. Wheel and axle arrangement is used in steering wheels, bicycles, swing machines, etc. The wheel and axle arrangement helps us to turn something more easily by changing the direction of the force. This setting of wheel and axle is seen where two wheels are attached with a rod in the middle. This rod or this attachment is called the axle, and it is attached. This rod is called the axle. This axle is attached to a wheel. So this arrangement is called the wheel and axle. The best examples of wheel and axle is the steering wheel of the car. You can see this arrangement in a swing machine. You can also find this in the trucks or the cars which are moving. We can also see this where we can take heavy loads, where we can carry heavy loads. So that is about wheel and axle. The final simple machine is the screw. We can find screw in your house also. A screw is a kind of inclined plane which is wrapped around a rod. A screw looks like a nail which grooves in it. Screw has a winding edge called the thread. This winding edge of the screw is actually an inclined plane. The head of the screw has a groove for holding with the help of the screwdriver. It is used to hold things tightly together. We can hold two things tightly together. A screw is more effective than a nail as it holds things together through a longer distance. Thus, things can not be separated easily. A nail can hold things only through a shorter distance, but a screw can hold through a longer distance. The screw jack used to lift cars for repairs also works on the principle of a screw. So, you can find screws in movable chairs movable tables, we can see screws in our school benches too, which attaches two things together in a long standing. So that is about simple machines and the different types of simple machines. Thank you children, that's all for today's class. Complete your classworks and also your textual exercises, which is posted in Never Skip Parent app.